Dental bonding can be used in many different places of your teeth and for many different applications. It can fix anywhere from a small chip on a tooth to even half the tooth that is gone due to trauma or decay or what have you. So it has many different applications, but it is a very good solution to fix the tooth in a short period of time. It always takes just one appointment to place the material in. Sometimes it can even be done without using anesthetic, depending on how bad the tooth is damaged. But it's a very convenient and easy solution for many broken and teeth or teeth that have some kind of something that is compromised on them as far as shape or form or function.